Hey, welcome back to Moto Mumble. Today we have to change our battery. It's running low, so let's get into it. For this, we'll remove our seat screws first. There are two, one on each side. Now we will just unscrew these four. Okay. Our neighbors are having some function, so ignore the background noise, guys. I'm not going to think screws out and brackets yet, but I'm going to unscrew positive and negative. I can do that afterwards, it's the same thing. I'll just do it afterwards. Take this piece off. Should come right off. Once this piece is off, you'll see the battery is out. Open here. The battery is right here. Open. So right now it shows that the battery is like halfway life, but whenever it's cold, it just gives up. So deciding to change that now. So you want to make sure if you have any other outlets here, so they are also connected. I have two, one for the charger right here, and second, this is extra if I need to connect something, an emergency or anything. I'll take this off too. Okay, these are off. Just take it out. You see I have spacers attached here because this is smaller than my older battery. Same thing we will do, we'll use the same spacers right here and then just put the new battery in. This is our new battery, 199 Dura Boost. I had the similar one previously. I'll use the same one this time too. In the package you'll see we have a lot of these spacers and a card, warranty card, and the screws to put on the right and left side. So let's get started. I just realized that battery terminals are switched, so we'll go and see if we can find a similar one but with proper terminals. Oh, I guess. Thank you. Hey, what's up, my man? How are you? So the battery has opposite terminals. Yes, right? Plus this way. Yeah, I need that one.
Okay, so let's go over here. Now, did that have any screws with it or anything like that?
Yes.
In L, this is the DBL14. That's an important difference.
Thank you so much, man. Thank you. I'll see you later. Thank you. We got our battery changed. Now let's head home. Finish it up. I had to go back to cycle gear to change the battery. The other one which we got was, it had terminals on the other side. You can see this one has like full battery thingy. The life or capacity, what does it say? Battery capacity indicator. On the other one, it's like at 2, but it doesn't really stay at that for too long. I'm just gonna use the old ones. that. Okay. Next. It comes with these two. Well, they will go underneath here, so where the screw will go inside. Okay, now it's good. That's good. The wires are there. That's there. It's there. Okay, I'm just gonna turn on the switch. Oh yes, sir. Let's put everything back in there. Once that's done, we need to put these back up. We have our 4 screws, they will go in here. Okay, that's done. We'll put our toolbox back in there. Those are handy many times. Okay, this is done. Now, let's see how quickly she starts up. Right away, firing up. Alright everyone, I will see you next time.